Good morning. When we open the book of Exodus, chapter 33, from verse 18 to verse 21, we see Moses having a conversation with God. He asked God that he should show him his glory. And God said, I cannot reveal my face to you. Show me my face, and you will live. No man sees my face and lives, meaning you will die. So he said, okay, what I will do for you, I will let my goodness pass before you, and I will have mercy on whom I will have mercy. I will have compassion. Another version says gracious, on whom I want to have compassion or gracious. So what does it mean? It means that whenever you ask God to show you his glory, he uses his goodness, his grace, his mercy, his compassion as his glory, because he cannot come before you face to face. You will die. Hallelujah. So I beseech you this morning that you go to God and ask him to show you his glory in your marriage, show you his glory in your business, show you his glory in your finances, show you his glory in your home, in the lives of your children, in your health. What will happen is that he will show you his goodness. When you say, show me your glory in my health, maybe you are battling with sickness, he will show you divine healing. Yes, will show you divine healing. When you say, Lord, show me your glory in my finances, maybe you are in debts, he will pay your debts supernaturally. When you say, show me your glory in my business, he will bring customers supernaturally without you spending a lot or without you struggling. So I challenge you this morning, go and ask God to show you his glory. That's what he's waiting for. He's a good God. He's a loving Father. He wants to express his grace. He wants to express his mercy, his compassion, his goodness upon his people. Do have a blessed day.